Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a signature on iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have this application, the Notes. Make sure that you got the Notes application, and after you got it, you just need to go click it to open it. And now you need to start the new project or the new page by click this new notes or go click this button. And after that, you can see that in the top side of your keyboards there will be several part or features that you can use. Now you just need to go visit this symbols and go click this plus button. And now there will be show up here the add text, add signature, and add shapes. To create a new signature, go click add signature. And now go click add or remove signature. To create a new one, go click this plus button and you can start scratching the screen with your signature. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you got your new signature, and you can just input it into the documents that you need to sign. So that is the way, guys, how to create a signature on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.